Hey guys, this is Daniel from Manila Shaker. So you may be wondering from our background why we are in another venue. Well, we'll be discussing that later on. First and foremost, let me introduce to you our influencer for today. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Johan Aguilar, a Nova ambassador and also a travel and lifestyle content creator.
Today, we will be challenging our influencer to take sample photos so that we could test the device if it's really good in taking high quality photos. The device that we are talking about are the Huawei Nova 3i. Let's first unbox it to see what are the inclusions and but what do you think about the packaging?
Packaging looks really sleek, looks really simple, and when you open it, looks elegant, looks high-end actually. So it's easy to unbox. All you have to do is pull, and there you go. So that's the new Nova 3i.
What are your opinions on the material itself that was used, the construction of the Nova 3i?
So first impression, the first thing you'd see is the screen. So it's a widescreen display. So it's nice because it's glass and scratch proof, and you can see how elegant this is.
And honestly, in its price range, it's a bit surprising that it's made of glass front and back, because normally in this price range, it's only made of metal or maybe plastic. Let's look at the inclusions.
So here we have our standard adapter for charging, and we have the USB cable, USB wire for charging as well, and we have earphones for music lovers or those who love to talk on the phone. And what else do we have? The only thing left is this SIM card pin.
As you can see, there is actually a notch at the front.
So the notch means the one on top. So you have like a additional screen display at the top of the phone. So personally, I love the notch because it makes the phone look really, really nice. For those who don't want the notch, we can always change the settings and turn it off. So it depends on what your preference is. So all you have to do is go to settings, then display, and just turn off the notch if you don't like it. So there you go.
Since we've already talked about the design and the display of the Huawei Nova 3i, would you like to move on with our challenge?
Okay, let's go and test this phone out, and let's see what this phone is capable of. So first we have a sunset painting. It basically makes the colors more vibrant. So here, since it detected sunset, the sky is more blue, more pink, more orange, and more yellow than the original photo. So let's try out other sceneries. So it recognized both the cat and the portrait. Portrait meaning the subject, which is Dea. This shot, it detected both the cat and you. So it went into portrait mode. So this one I took without the AI. So you can see it's a little bit darker. So in portrait mode, it makes the photo a little bit brighter and the cat a little bit more realistic. So this one's just a painting, but if it's a real animal or real cat, I think it's gonna look more realistic. So here we're trying to take an optical illusion. Feels like Dea's looking at a mirror, but actually she's really on the other side. So portrait mode, you can explore different lighting types. You have split lighting, butterfly lighting, and other features. So the AI, it also helps sharpen your photo to make it more crisp and clear. So usually when people go to France or to Paris, they want to take a selfie with the Mona Lisa. So let's try. Let's activate bokeh mode. So that's our background over there. So the dinosaur is actually blurred right now. So let's try it also when we're not doing any selfies. Do you want to be the subject? So we're enabling bokeh. So you can see the dinosaur is blurred right now. Focus is on the subject. This is without the bokeh effect. So it's clear all throughout. So this is the ordinary shot without AI. So So since AI detects plant, it makes the plants greener and more vibrant. Even if I'm feeling a little bit trigger happy, I can take as much photos as I can.
And you won't have to worry about erasing some of them.
Even if some of the shots aren't as nice, I'm not too worried. At least it gives me a better chance to capture better photos.
So now we've actually finished taking sample shots around the venue. Before we talk about the shots itself, let me ask you, what exactly are you looking for in a camera's phone?
For me, it's very basic. When I use a camera phone I bring with me every day, number one, I want storage for me to be able to take as much photos as I can. So with my phone, I don't really have the time to keep deleting and to keep transferring files. So if I have a lot of storage, that's really good for me, especially when I travel, especially when I go to places. I really take a lot of photos. So it's really vital and important that I have a lot of storage. And number two, it's really being able to take high quality, crisp shots. You know, even if I don't have my camera or my mirrorless camera, the quality of the shots are almost at par. At the same time, of course, I don't want my photos to look artificial or fake. So it's always nice to keep it real, as realistic as possible. So those are the things that I look for.
Well, that's understandable, seeing as you are a travel and lifestyle content creator. So regarding the shots, was the Huawei Nova 3i able to meet your expectations?
So after going around Orten Island, what I noticed is the phone is actually very smart. So especially with the AI feature, AI scenery feature, it actually detects subjects, sceneries, and even animals and food very accurately. In fact, we have a few paintings here that aren't even real, but it actually detected it correctly. So what I like about it is it actually assists you and makes your photos more vibrant, more attractive. So on top of that, we tried out the selfie mode, right?
Yes, it is.
So some phones, especially with the harsh lighting, there's a lot of spotlights, there's a lot of artificial lighting. It's really hard to get that selfie with a good background and a good subject. So with this phone, with the AI mode and with the different lighting modes, it helps ease the artificial colors or the artificial shots. So on top of that, we have
the object recognition.
The object recognition. So when you're in the photo, it detects you as a subject and automatically shifts to portrait mode. So that's pretty amazing, considering that this is not even the flagship phone of Huawei.
Yeah,
it's just a mid-range phone, but it has, you know, a wide range features. So what I like about it is it keeps it enhances the photo. It makes it more vibrant, makes it more sharp, makes it more crisp. But at the same time, it keeps the photo in check. What I mean is that it doesn't look too artificial, it doesn't look too fake, but at the same time, it's more vibrant, more attractive than your normal photo. So that's one of my key observations with the Huawei Nova 3i.
We actually took a lot of photos today, right?
Yeah, we took like probably 100 photos. I was trigger happy today, so I just kept clicking and clicking. So I enjoyed Orten Island and enjoyed taking photos without really needing to worry about my storage. Actually, I was surprised that the Nova 3i comes with 128 gig of internal memory. So I can't imagine how many photos I can take with that. And so far we have 112 gigs still left. That's considering we have in-app installations already in the phone to begin with.
So thank you so much for coming with us today.
Thank you so much, Leia, for being a very good travel photo companion for today. It was nice.
The pleasure was mine.
It was nice doing a quick photo walk with the new Huawei Nova 3i. So it's nice, and we can't wait to share with you the photos we took from our short photo walk today.
For additional information, here are the confirmed specs of the Huawei Nova 3i. Once again, this has been Daniel from Manila Shaker. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it and to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching!